I was Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong obetimi aye president and not even president. Obewini NPP flag bearership race no and our own winning. Then in a BC on 31st of January 2026. Nyanto boasie ye ba bebe mu ne ya pansam pensemu na ye di ho enkomo. Midin e dey promise the blogger ha Ghana and Sem TV. Now I have a video from a man, and this man I have a lot of things to tell Kennedy Agyapong. Or one Sem Bebria or person catch Kennedy Agyapong. And the reason why he thinks Kennedy Agyapong is not fit enough to be the flag bearer or even a president of the Republic of Ghana. Now, this man in question, no, Ghana niya or Tuaba, Emani, and he shared his idea and his reasons why he think Honorable Kennedy Agyapong does not deserve to be a president of the Republic of Ghana. This is not me saying it. This is the man saying it. Listen to what he said.
I mean, what do you matter? I don't what do you matter? What do you matter? NPP for some people for the way to me. I'm going to go for much more. I'm going to go for I think I am here. I'm going to go for man. Look at you. It's not people. I'm going to go for Jimmy. Someone young was your father. Come on, suddenly political response makes some for man. Much money, Jimmy. I was your father. Catch him with who is a woman.
Make a trail say, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, even if obetimi we need the NPP presidential race now, it is not going to be easy because people will say all these things about him. Now the question is, obey then we defending him when it comes to these things papano edituja. For example, say odi a ma atem edi omase edi omatem. How do you defend this? It doesn't make sense. You can't defend something that is not defendable. You understand? You see, let me tell you, the people that you are following on Kennedy Agyapong, I know you like him because you people said he's truthful, he's honest, and he's patriotic, and all those stuff. Yes, I know. But the question is, do the NPP just need a flag bearer? Or they need a president on the ticket of the NPP. The NPP as a political party needs someone who can win power in 2028. Look at it very well. The NDC is going to present a new candidate because we all know that the constitution does not allow John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, to contest again. And I'm not sure John Dramani Mahama will be greedy enough to say that he is going to change the constitution of the Republic of Ghana. He's not that greedy. He's not going to do that. I know there are people trying to convince him to change the constitution and all those stuff. But the John Dramani Mahama I know is not going to do that. So putting that one aside, no matter what, NDC would be bringing out a new presidential candidate to represent them 2028 general elections. So the NPP needs someone they've already marketed, someone that obiya nim dada, someone they don't need to sell that person again, and that person is Dr. Ladi Mahmoud Bawumia. That is number one. Number two, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong does not regard and respect the people of Ghana. Why am I saying this? He's insulted everyone. President, ministers, MPs, pastors, even the ordinary Ghanaians. Would you be at them? Someone like this does not deserve to be a president of Ghana. Am I making sense to you? Now, let's assume you wake up one day and someone who cannot control his emotions, someone who cannot control his feelings, is the president of the Republic of Ghana, and Donald Trump. the president of the United States of America, threatens to do anything stupid, I know Agyapong will respond in a way that will put Ghana in a situation whereby we cannot defend ourselves. That is the honest truth. Unless you don't want to accept it, unless you are trying to be hypocrite. But if you are being truthful to yourself, this is the honest truth. Agyapong is not fit for purpose. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. That is the honest truth. And you should understand. Because I know people like this man because of his patriotism, his philanthropic, and the kind of thing that is. Let me tell you something. In 2023, when the NPP went for the presidential primaries, I was supporting Agyapong. During that time, I was one of his big fans. I campaigned for him. I did a lot of work for him. But when I realized that he has lost the election, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has won the election, as a member of the New Patriotic Party who believes in the ideology and the principles of the New Patriotic Party, I had to come and join the NPP and support the flag bearer of our patriotic party so that we can win the elections. That is what a patriotic member of the New Patriotic Party but Agyapong and Ninko formed in the channel and yes but rather they did what? Some of them went to support Cheddar, some of them did not even vote. Now you advised your people not to vote. You campaigned against MPs that did not support you. Make sure that they lost their seats. And you turn around and come and blame the flag bearer. Why don't you blame the MMDCs who did not do their work well in their constituency that led to the loss of votes in their constituency? Because they were the representative of the president in their constituency. So it was their work to make sure, say, everything that the president have sent them to do in the constituency is being done and done in the right way. But that did not happen, right? So if we should blame from the grassroots, the polling station executives. That is where we should start from. From there, you can decide and get to know everything that happened. Okay? So it's very simple. Hi, Ghana and TV meeting at the promise.
Mamma, I saw MP. The MP pa na kasa sabe. MP pa ni. He MP no ye. E de wa reason dada. Our patch okra yensu. Won kwa nya na yese bi wa. Eh, ko fo me we say ko fa shi ana oni ba sabe. Ana ba ni Ghana krom ho. Wa ba pin so pona. Aye chanche hene. Oberwa dada ante sa. Una ho hia wu. Kala amu ni ho a mba hwa achi no. Hwere o kasa sama wo kaka. Say, oh, why a bonnet? I mean, for a bonnet. Oh, sir, who will watch it or mammy, I will come to where said the hoa forever. Okay, can't say who say I can't catch you too. Near Ghana, no one and more. Or bow. Go for my massy, a man when young folk could do for a man a room to chill, a man a woman, a man a be obvious. And you are quenya said, bar, man, you're so sweet. The fellow I want to and I know what you're having out of court. Ewu ada dia kwada kwa mo na ka mo. Aka mo na wonyi. Ai